Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigorero aene kiringa gochia bono muchanda gwo kuburwa kwa Mario Nyagitari cha Nyamira kwerire aya ngochia magaga yo gochakia rero ikigancha kya Mario kimenyekene na Drug Liberation Fund gukwana hekerabwa to kama Mario ko chiringi milioni ya miyemo KEMSA gochia Nyagitari cha Nyamira nigo Nyaribo ateberenga ngochia kugura chimashini cha Nyagitari cyo gusibya chinyigo gochia ase Nyagitari ya Keloka River 5 amanyagitari area ya Nyamira Referral ase kurende atachi kubotereri bwa kugura no mu waziri w'abocenu menyense ya Kenya Aden Duale kurende nigago chikugura chimashini echo kurwasa ngao muri kito Steven Nyariki tara ya century abene go ikachinse mecho na otone roboti rukobwatia nataka tu
okwana ritsko ria rero mugabana wa Nyamira Amos Nyaribo kirabwato ka Mariogo y'echiringi chimilioni emiyemo go Nyagitari aime county ya Nyamira nigateberenga county ya Nyamira niyo yabekire merobiri ya teneni ande mono yo kwenekinga Mariogo bono tarigo chikobora Nyagitari bene wetera umoroberia hasumon weke nyandantobu Drug Reforming Fund
rero iga utwacha Nyamira ko launch igendo kwa Medical Revolving Fund. Eri fund yeye yenga muna gochimotu bono ndo konyora upungufu wa madawa. Lero to launch 100 million ndo to yeye chinde 200 million to weke fund yeyo na lira atware chinguru. Naenda bantu bitongo baboria korwariwa wikakiro montare chesa Shai karo kwa rechese ya wakanira Mariogo tuariye deni ito akano gorusha na ito kugandira kugorari karioka so Nyamira rero gochakira rero ituko ndiyo tora atware Mariogo ataye Nyagitari erinenga ki yaetire naende yaetire ndokonyerera naende
ekereke kyo nigo mugabana Amos Nyaribo abetereria oboteneri bwa KEMSA kwerera teneni ng'andri barabeke Mariogo gochia Nyagitaria eriogo sonsora oboremeru obwabero asegeka
KEMSA come we are launching 100 million. And you said you are now stocked 100%.
We will ensure that we fulfill 100%. We will ensure that we fulfill 100%. What has come is for hospitals. The next batch for level 3s and level 2s will be coming after next week.
After next week is when? Even next year is after next week?
No. We are actually really trying so hard as KEMSA to improve on our order fill rate. We have been, our fill rate was at 80%. I'm glad that you have established a drug revolving fund.
Yariboni go asabire ministry yobochenu kwenekinga wakanere amadeni ya 400 million ayu agobori wane county ya Nyamira korengana no moroberio bwo kwenana obobweni agwetera sha
is holding 400 million, so we urge them. We urge ask Duale to address that, not another thing. Jatubate hiyo.
Nigekerekyo Nyaribo ritsko rerene kiringa na che kugura chimashini gocha Nyagitari cha Keloka na Nyamira nagotebanga tagocha kuoya ria kubetereriwa no mu waziri w'oboceno ya Kenya Aden Duale.
Number 2, we are going to install an MRI machine and the CT scans at Nyamira County Referral Hospital and the Keloka Sub-County Hospital. We have, but we have to modernize. We are not going to buy machines at Duale. Tumekataa.
Gati ya barayi baikira na robo igoni go babwata ya iga.
Kinda ide go sabeke mo keringa ande nage kwani sike kusina giye sidari kumanya akabesa kaje basikaba bakonyora siringe marongebere ngagutenina. Agantu kana kubago takabanya ndagantu kipikipiki bana gutarira. Ngakubekira nikubaja kwaka mwisiru mutinyukane ande bakaire gukia ngao igasiri baboneza gutokorera ande yaratenena pesa kebe kile si budget na ndani his excellence tuko na kuona na his excellence.
Agency yetu pia tutaipea magari na namna ya kuhakikisha kwamba wakati dawa imekuwa ordered na facility yetu inaweza kufika kwa hiyo facility.
Stephen Nyarikembode, Ensoko TV, County ya Nyamira.